You don't want to miss opportunity on Bybit IDO. So in this video, I will make series of this video, and if this GMRX token right here is just launched on Bybit and is already makes like 100x on launch. So this token will offer on their IDO, and right here on your dashboard, just come to this web3 over here, and here is the token right here. The token was offered at this price, and as you can see, these guys that get the allocation in this event, a lot of people participate in this event, or roughly 65,000 people, close to 66,000 people participate in this event, and only 200 tickets was issued. So meaning that out of 65,200 people got ticket in this event, and congrats to anyone that got allocation in this event. You already make 20,000, like 220. That's like 100 times $200. That's almost $20,000. So on minute, just having allocation in this event. And right here, there is this ongoing event also, and this is the snapshot you can qualify right now to participate in. I've made a series of video on how to participate in this kind of event. Right here, press view, and you just need to come over here and follow the whole step right here. If any point in time you don't understand this, just check other of my video that I talked about Bybit Web3 IDO, so you'll be able to understand the whole process. Just come right here, and you just need to follow all this instruction. The most important thing is in this event is you owe $250 worth of USDT on your Arbitrum chain. So that's what you need to meet in this event. And right here, this winning ticket is going to be 1,000. 5,000 plus people are already participating in this event, and 1,000 tickets will be issued. More people are going to participate in this event, and right here, just come over here and check all this information out. Most important thing, you have to subscribe when you come over here, and maintain a minimum of $250 worth of USDT on Arbitrum chain. I think you are good, and the snapshot is going to be taken at 3 days. So since once you maintain this amount balance on your Arbitrum chain, you are good, and hopefully there will be lottery system right here, and check if you are lucky to get one ticket out of this 1,000 ticket, and hopefully make 10x or 100x return on investment at the launch notes. Total redeem value is 100 USDT per ticket. So if you get allocation in this event, you'll be able to buy only $100. And if this token able to do 10x or 20x at the launch, that is going to be 2,000 on launch. You just getting tickets in this event. Note, this is just educational purpose. Make sure you do your own research and turn up your notification bell, and I'm going to see you on the next video.